From capturing the intricacies of existing structures to creating highly detailed digital representations, 3D laser scanning has become a game changer in the world of construction. Its ability to capture precise data of real-world environments opens up a world of possibilities for architects, engineers, and construction professionals alike. Through the synergy between 3D laser scanning and BIM, we can now visualize projects like never before. Imagine exploring a virtual representation of a building before it's even constructed, walking through every room, analyzing intricate details, and ensuring design integrity with unmatched precision. 3D laser scanning is used to capture accurate and detailed information about existing physical structures and environments. The data is then used to create comprehensive digital models that represent not only the 3D geometry of a building or infrastructure, but also valuable information about its components, materials, and systems. 3D laser scanning helps to facilitate efficient and informed decision-making throughout the entire life cycle of a construction project. Laser scanning is often used to capture the precise as-built conditions of existing buildings or structures. This documentation is particularly valuable for renovation, retrofitting, and facility management projects, where having an accurate representation of the existing conditions is crucial. For example, when renovating an old building, laser scanning can be employed to capture the building's current state, and this data can be used to create an as-built BIM model. The model then aids in visualizing the changes needed and ensures that the proposed modifications fit seamlessly with the existing structure. Laser scanning can also be effective in detecting clashes between new and existing elements during the design phase. By comparing the 3D point cloud data of the scanned environment with the BIM model of the new construction, potential clashes could be identified and resolved before construction begins. For instance, in a construction project involving an expansion of an industrial facility, laser scanning can be used to scan the existing structures and equipment. The scanned data can be overlaid with the BIM model of the new expansion to check for any interferences or conflicts, ensuring smooth coordination and minimizing costly on-site modifications. The scanning process involves the use of a specialized laser scanning device, which emits a laser beam that sweeps across a target area. The scanner measures the time taken for the laser beams to bounce back after hitting various surfaces, creating what is called a point cloud. The point cloud is a large collection of data points in three-dimensional space that represents the external surfaces of objects in the scanned area. Another benefit of laser scanning is that it enhances the accuracy of construction documentation by providing precise measurements and dimensions. It aids in creating accurate shop drawings, quantity takeoffs, and construction documents, reducing errors and rework during construction. For example, when preparing for a renovation, laser scanning can capture the building systems and surrounding environment to generate highly accurate design and construction documents, ensuring that the project aligns seamlessly with the existing conditions. Lastly, 3D laser scanning can be useful for creating virtual reality demonstrations. These 3D models serve as the foundation for building interactive and dynamic VR environments. When integrated into VR platforms, users can wear head-mounted displays and enter the virtual environment, experiencing a realistic 3D representation of the scanned area. From capturing precise data to creating immersive virtual environments, 3D laser scanning is reshaping the future of construction. Whether you're an architect, engineer, construction manager, or contractor, embracing 3D laser scanning can unlock new possibilities, drive efficiency, and elevate project outcomes. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about VDC and BIM, then click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thanks for watching.